Hi, in this video it's just going to be a fast tutorial on if you ever do come across this situation where a leg isn't connecting to its pad. The first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to scrape back this pad so I can add solder. And because it's so close to the leg, it's going to be fine to just flow solder up onto the actual pin of the chip. If it was a further distance away, you could use jumper wire instead. But because it's so close, I'm just going to use I'm just going to flow the solder up. So once I've that scraped off, I'm just going to give it a fast clean. Then I'm going to add some flux. Then I'm going to add the solder. Okay, now I'm just adding the solder here, and I'm just going to flow it up onto the pin, and I'm just going to keep tipping it with the solder guard until I get a nice solid connection on it. Okay, now that I got a nice solid joint, I'm just going to check with continuity just to make sure that that has connected. And we do have a good connection. So like I said, if it's further away, the pad is further away, you could run jumper wire to sort it out. And I'm just going to leave it here. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I see you in the next one.